Well, hello there. Welcome back to the Corniest Corner. Now, the Corniest Corner is where we share some of the corniest jokes about some of the hottest topics in Jamaica and around the world. Joke number 1. Some I don't know if it's true or not, but a rumor that spread around the internet say young ma pregnant. Now, I don't know about Uno, but you see when me hear the news there, the first question come to my mind and the father. That's how I want to find out. Joke number 2. So yes, the Miss Universe franchise has a new owner. Me couldn't understand why that happened. It just never did come across to me. Probably I speak a different language. I don't know. It just now translate.
Being the fact that I've felt out at school.
Hold on. I have one more. So since the Miss Universe franchise is now under new ownership, Jamaica still going to support it? Or does that mean we're going to transfer everything over to Miss World now? True. Next joke. So Elon was just walking on Twitter and just start fire people in. I just feel like something if you change the name from Twitter to Apprentice. It have more of a kick to it.
Cold.
So Spicy go missing for a little while. You know, nobody ever see her and I hear from her. There were a lot of allegations where they are got about what they are going with her and them thing there. So she found
Brother, don't touch Spice. That topic there alone, dog. You know, say if you touch Spice topic, I just left her name out. Don't touch Spicy. And it's a Spice girls you talk about. Don't touch Spicy.
You know what? Me can't really manage spicy food and them thing there. Me not really deal with the scotch bonnet and the spicy chicken and them thing there. So I'm just going to let the topic there alone. We are going to leave that one there alone.
You better broke up.
I want to joke with you again. I don't remember. Next joke. So you know about the bus driver, they have 120 outstanding tickets, right? But you have some man out there where I say, boy, look a bit of ticket that man. We have more ticket than that. Him not got hard. Him just a course. Let it cause him a drive coaster and them thing there. Yeah?
Pull it on.
But there's some man who not care about that one. But West Indies drop out of the T20 World Cup even before it start. And to me feel like they must even put to a cricket for a while. Just leave the cricket thing alone. What do you think? Catch your butt. Alright?
Laugh or cry.
Alright, last piece of joke. So Shelley and Fraser Price and Sherika Jackson, them get a bag of awards from what they win up a bag of race and all these things. Them are going good for themselves. Nominated for Female Athlete of the Year, both of them. Bag of things are going. I mean, I don't know about one, you know. We feel like this is something for all of us to celebrate. Well, that's it for the Corniest Corner. I'll catch you in the next one.